I'll remove you from the class. Remember that.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good
Let's
morning.
Good
begin.
morning, ma'am.
Yeah, let's begin
Good morning, ma'am.
today's maths class. I will call the individual child name, and that child has to tell me what we have done till now and what are we going to do the next. Yes, Preet. Preet, can you please?
Ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell us what we have done till now in this chapter?
Yes, ma'am. We have done map 1, map 2,
No, no, no,
map
no.
3.
Wait. What are the topics we have covered?
Oh, topics, ma'am. Okay.
What all the things you have learned in this chapter?
The topics are match the map that and find out map the central hexagon. Then waiting for the parade. Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
it's in map. Map the route. In
Mm.
map, trip to the red fort. Then find out from map 4. We have to find out something from map 4. They are 1 centimeter and that. Then
Can
the
you please
answers
tell
from
us
the
what the concepts we have learned in this chapter?
No, 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 no.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Concepts
Ishana.
we have.
Wait,
Ma'am,
please. Yes,
ma'am,
Ishana.
learn concept that how to the 4 cardinal directions.
Mm-hmm.
Then how to see the map.
Mm-hmm.
How to see the directions in the map.
Mm-hmm.
Then scaling the map.
Yes.
Then we have learned that if there is a in map 2 we have done where is the central hexagon, where is the if
Mm.
this in the
And why it is called the central hexagon?
yeah that because it's there is India gate in this and it is in central
So, and the shape of that
and
is,
it is in hexagon
so we have revised the shapes also. And
and
then
we have done red spot
we
and
have revised angles also.
we have revised that we have done this big to small the scaling
Yeah.
to draw
And
pattern
hmm, big to
and
small. And what else?
ma'am ma'am how to find the route where we have to go.
Yes. So now,
In the map.
after doing this chapter, after this chapter, it will be easy. Now you understood how to see the map, any map, whether it is the river map, whether it is a state
Yes.
map, city map, building map, any floor map, you will able to understand it. Map always have a sign and symbols. Will you able to recognize with the sign and symbols and check the map? Yes, map always have a scaling.
Yes, ma'am.
Map always have a scaling, right? So with the scaling of a map, will you able to read which is the route and how much distance it is? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, and then you after this you came to know about this. Then, if we are going from south to north, right, from one state to another state, how many different states are coming in between, right? This also we have learned. Yes, Nishika, tell me.
Ma'am, I was telling that if in the map it is given it is curved, so
Hmm.
we can scale a map. We can use a thread, no?
Yes, yesterday when I was showing one video, it is completely described there that when it is a curvy line, you take a thread and then stretch your thread and measure it on the scale on your ruler.
Ma'am, this we have learned in fourth also.
Yes,
The third one.
Yes, the area
yes.
perimeter.
How to area? Yes,
Ma'am, big and small we have learned. Like
yes.
we can,
Yeah. Aryan, can you tell me why we are learning the area also in this chapter?
ma'am, because in case like some the map is big and one map is small, so we can say it same because like we have made the map just big and area is also more, but
Mhm.
the but like but the space will be same only if we see. If
Space is the area only.
yes,
So what?
area is same.
How area is same when it is a big and this small?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, they make the squares big. The grid big only, but
Okay.
the squares
If
will
the
be
grid,
same only.
but if the grid is big means the area is big. If you take a grid of 2 centimeter, so the area of a 2 centimeter grid will be bigger or the 1 centimeter will be bigger?
2 centimeters.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Preet.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yeah, please. And we have learned here that the dancers are also coming from different states. And if they are coming from different states, like from if they are coming from Haryana and they are participating in Delhi, right? So how many states they are crossing from Haryana to Delhi? Or if they are coming from different states to Delhi, then also how many? It means when you also you take on yourself that when you are, yes, wait a minute, Yash Malhotra, I will ask. If you are going somewhere, yeah, Dhruvi, where you want to like to go in these holidays, when Diwali holidays? Yeah, Dhruvi, can you please tell me in Diwali holidays where you have planned till now, where to go? Don't you have not planned yet, Dhruvi?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sarah, can you please tell us where you want to go in these Diwali holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell us that in these Diwali holidays where you have planned to go?
Ma'am, as Corona is
Okay, I'm not asking. Okay, I changed my question. I will not ask related to this year. Okay, last year where you went, Advika?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, I wanted to go where I went.
Okay, which place?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, which that I want to go or I went last year.
So you went last year. Which was the place? Tell us also so that we also come to know.
Bombay and Goa.
Bombay and Goa. And you live in Gujarat, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a map. You want to explain us, no? Something that you told us that, ma'am, I want to show the map. Can you present your map?
Yes, ma'am,
I
sure.
will stop my presenting. You present your map and tell us that from your Gujarat state, and if you want to Goa, that how many states you have to cross.
Renu ma'am,
Yeah.
I have that there is question answers written after the maps.
Mm-hmm.
Map one and then so ma'am I have write that question answers in the textbook only, so it's okay now.
No, I told you to write in the notebook.
Okay ma'am, I will.
Ma'am, I am presenting.
But why I am visible in your screen?
She has pinned you, that is why.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, see, if I live in Gujarat, then
Yeah.
I need to.
Can you please turn this straight because it's
1 minute, ma'am.
yeah.
Advika, rotate the picture.
Yeah. She will do it.
Yes, ma'am. Now, okay,
No, it is not visible. No.
ma'am. 1 minute. Edit and then rotate the picture. Rita, it is now lying down. You can rotate it, ma'am.
Go to edit and rotate.
Okay, do one thing, Advika. You now it is visible, but this is the another map.
1 minute, ma'am.
Advika, you do one thing. You prepare yourself. Okay,
Ma'am, done.
Advika, you prepare yourself. Then for I will ask Preet. Preet, Please present your screen. You
Ma'am,
want to show us the map, no?
present.
Those whose chance have already come that day.
Ma'am, my chance has
Yeah.
not
If
come.
you are prepared, write.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, right. If you are prepared for today's class, write your name in the chat box. I will open my chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Preet, you are in which state right now?
Ma'am, I am in Gujarat right now.
Gujarat. And where you want to go in your where you want to like to go in your holidays?
I would like to go in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. So how many states you have to cross?
No state, ma'am. I could go from here and here
Yeah,
in
directly
Maharashtra.
from Gujarat to Maharashtra.
And if I will go like this, I have to go past the Madhya Pradesh also. I will go till here and here. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra.
Okay. So first from Gujarat to Madhya Pradesh, and then you go to the Maharashtra, right?
Maharashtra.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
And if I say if you want to go from Gujarat to West
Yeah.
Bengal, how many states you have to cross? And from you are in which direction right now?
Then I am in west now.
West
I have
direction.
to cross.
Okay. And
I
West
have to
Bengal
cross
is
four
in which
states.
direction?
Yeah, ma'am.
West Bengal is in which direction?
It's in east, ma'am.
Okay. So when you are going from Gujarat to West Bengal, how many states you have to cross?
4 states, ma'am.
Yeah, can
Madhya
you-
Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and then West Bengal.
Okay.
3 states.
So from west to east you are going, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Now next child is
Ma'am has only told you to write the name who wants to present. What is this rubbish going on in the chat box?
children. Please write your name in the chat box if you are ready to present it. Yes, Devanshi. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. I'm presenting. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, wait.
Let me ask the questions. You please make it big. Is it
Okay.
possible? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, but I'm doing like this. Yeah.
Okay. If you are in Rajasthan, okay, and if you want to go to Himachal Pradesh, how many states you have to cross?
Ma'am, I have to cross Haryana
Mhm.
only. Haryana only.
No, Delhi is coming.
Yes, yes, Delhi is also.
Yeah. And you are going from which direction to which direction?
Ma'am, I'm going from north to, west to north.
Hmm. And some part of Rajasthan is in north also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
North to west.
Northwest. Now next is Krishita. Can you present your screen? Stop now, Devanshi. Stop
Yes, ma'am.
presenting.
Ma'am,
After Krishita, I will start my today's class, and then
Maisha, where are you?
I've written the.
I'm also lost.
I also written first.
my dear, I will give you a chance. We have one more day. The complete revision we will do on Wednesday, right? Tomorrow I will post the work in your classroom as the revision, and on Wednesday we do complete revision of this chapter, and on Friday we have a CET.
Maisha,
So,
ma'am, can you see Maisha on the screen?
no, ma'am. Let me pin her. No, ma'am, she is not there at her place.
Ma'am,
can you see my presentation?
Yeah, your presentation is visible, but you have to show us the picture. Very good. Can you make any one question from yourself and explain us? Any one question on the basis of scaling, on the basis of distance. Please show us the presenting. Yes.
I am at Gujarat and I want to go to Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
So I will go to north and I will pass through
Mm-hmm.
Rajasthan,
Mm-hmm.
Haryana,
Mm-hmm.
Punjab, and then I will reach Jammu and Kashmir.
Good. Next, can you make anything else that regarding the sea? We have done related with the sea also. Which states are near to the sea?
Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka,
Hmm.
Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha.
Those who
near
are
to
on the boundary of this blue line, right? Those states which are on the boundary of the blue line, this is the part of sea, right? The blue part is of the part of sea. So these states, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
Goa. Yeah.
Maharashtra, Gujarat, these are on the border of sea.
Ma'am, can I present?
No, next day I will give you. Stop presenting, Krishita, now. Wednesday. Those who are left, they will present the screen on Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Now,
present please.
Wednesday. Now open your books, everyone. Page number 124. Map number 7 and map number 8 is left. So almost today our chapter will be complete. Tomorrow I will send you the revision worksheet on this chapter because tomorrow we don't have live class. Day after tomorrow we do the complete revision. Be prepared. We do the complete revision in the class. And on Friday I will take a CET of this chapter. Am I clear to everyone? Right.
yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to present you something. Everyone has to mute the mic. You have to listen it very, very carefully because this topic is based on the area also.
Renu ma'am, can you mute the chat box?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, done. Jaival, mute yourself, please. No ma'am in between. First, listen it carefully and then we discuss about it.
Yashvi Narola, we are not able to see you.
And map number 7 is based on the Ashish school. This is the map of Ashish school. And there are the classrooms given, playground, everything is given. Now they will ask that how much area is occupied by assembly hall, how much is by assembly ground, how much is by garden, office, playground, and main gate. As you know that in our last class, we have learned about area and perimeter on the graph paper by counting the number of the squares, right? Length and breadth. After counting, when you draw the squares with the length and breadth, you will able to know about the area of this specific thing. So now, can you please count the squares of assembly or hall ground and tell me what is the area of assembly ground?
15.
15. Yeah, and then very good.
15.
Very good.
15.
Now, please, I got the answer now. And next is listen it carefully.
And under this
Listen
topic,
it carefully.
we
I'm
will
going to mute myself now, and then
study about map 7 and map
Ma'am, your
8.
mic.
So now come to the topic. Ashish school. Ashish school looks like this from the top. and we have to use the squares to find out. So let's have a proper understanding of this map first. So the whole map is divided in 1 centimeter square boxes. So here we have hall, assembly ground, garden, classes like 3A, 5, 2, 9 and 7, 6A, and similarly many classes are here. Bottom side we have a playground, office, main gate. So now let's try to answer some questions. So first question is here that how many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office. So let's find the
Now, first question is how many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of the office? If you know the answer, write in the chat box. I will open the chat box. What is the area of assembly hall and what is the office, and how much is the difference? Which is bigger? Assembly hall area is bigger or the office area is bigger? That also you have to write. Arush, what are you writing? Please check your answers. Yes, assembly is bigger. Assembly ground is bigger. And how much it is bigger? It is bigger by 12 square
Ma'am,
centimeters.
by mistake,
Yes.
it has written 1 meter.
So that's why I'm telling. Please check your answer.
Ma'am,
Now,
by mistake, it has written.
okay. Office area is 3 square centimeter and the assembly ground area is, as you know that with the area we use SQ centimeter or the SQ meters, right? Square centimeters and square meters. Then I will now switch off my chat box and again I will show you the video.
So, ma'am, what is the answer that assembly is bigger? That only.
Ma'am,
All is bigger. If it is asking by how much, then you have to write 15 minus 3 is 12. Say Devanshi is bigger than Aryan, right? If Devanshi age is 7 years, sorry, for example, Devanshi age is 12 years and Aryan age is 10 years. So Devanshi is how many years bigger than Aryan?
2
This way we have to find out, right?
2 years.
So now I mute myself.
First, we can write in the textbook and
area.
Don't write right now anything, just you have to understand. I will send this video in the classroom.
First, then we will find that how many times it is bigger. So first we have to find the area of the assembly ground. So here we have the
Now it is not asking how much it is bigger. It is asking how many times it is bigger, right? If it is 15, the area of the assembly hall and the area of the office is 3. So how many times Aryan the assembly ground is bigger? How many times? Times related with the tables, multiplication.
Yes.
You multiply 3 with what?
ma'am, can I say?
So that you get, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
please, Ishana.
ma'am, this box is as 2 centimeter, which is equals to 5 meters.
No, that we will do it later
Ma'am,
on.
can I say?
Yes, Aurav.
5 times bigger.
Yes. The area of assembly ground is 5 times bigger. Because that is
How we
Office-
find that, sir?
office is having 3 squares and assembly ground is having 15 squares.
Yes.
So when you multiply 3 with which number so that you will get 15? How many times it is bigger? 5.
Yes.
Yes, understood now.
Yeah.
Eight
So
times.
we have to where the assembly ground the number is
times.
15. So in three
It
table,
is asking if it is asking how many times. If it is asking how much it is bigger, then you will write 12 centimeters square centimeters is it bigger. If it is asking how much times it is bigger, then you have to multiply.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, but how we know that we have to multiply it by 5 only?
See, 3, 5, when we multiply 3 with the 5, then only we will able to get the 15, no? If now, suppose if I change the question, right? Now it is the squares, assembly ground squares are 20, right? And office are 4 only. So now how many times it is bigger? Again, 5, 4, 5s are 20.
5.
Understood, Anubhavi now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Now
ma'am.
listen it carefully.
Assembly ground, and second is office. So here we have office. So you can see that the area of the office is 1, 2, 3. It occupied 3 complete squares. So we can write it is 3 complete squares, or you can write 3 grid boxes. And similarly, assembly ground has the area with how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 5 3 are 15. So this is area of office, and 15 is the area of assembly ground. So here we can easily compare.
For office they are using O, and for assembly ground they are using A. Don't get confused.
That 15 is how many times bigger than 3. So yes, it is 5 times bigger than 3. So we can write assembly ground is 5 times bigger than the office. Now come to the second question. How much is the length and width of each classroom? Okay. So you can see here each classroom's dimension is same. Like 3A, 3B, all dimensions means length and breadth of this all classrooms are same. So the options we have: length 5 meter, width 4 meter. Second, length 2 meter, width 1 meter. Option number C, length 12.
Please check the options. Please check the options which are given in your textbook and match it that
Ma'am, I have checked.
which is the correct option. Wait a minute, Aryan.
Ma'am, how to find? Can you explain that?
By ruler.
Everything will
Ma'am,
be explained in this.
2
Listen,
centimeter
listen it.
5 meter length and centimeter width.
B1.
Listen
No,
it
ma'am,
carefully. Answer will be A. Answer will be A. But how the answer will be A? That will be explained now next. Mute your
Ma'am,
mic.
length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter.
12 meter and width 10 meter, and the last we have length 5 meter and width 5 meter. So here you can see that this map is in means grid boxes are in centimeter, okay, that is not in meter. So first we have to find the dimension of the room in length and breadth in centimeter, then we will convert in meter. So let me do it first. In my book I took class 6A, and as you all know the dimension of the all rooms are same. So I found that the length was only 2 centimeter, okay, and here 2 centimeter means 5 meters. So I can write here 5 meter. So length we have found. Now come to breadth. So I found that the breadth was 1.6 centimeter. It means 1.6 centimeter means you have to convert in meter. So how you will convert? It's very easy. 2 centimeter means 5 meter, right? So 1 centimeter means, yes, 1 centimeter means it will be 2.5. Okay, so here 1.6 you will multiply with 2.5, so you will get 4 meter. So in this way we found the length and breadth. Length is equal to 5 meter and breadth is equal to 4 meter.
This we are measuring on the basis of the scale which is given to us. You can see in your left side, the scale of a map is given 2 centimeter is equals to 5 meter. On the basis of this, we are calculating, right, about the squares which are given. Am I clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up. Till here it is clear, everyone?
Mom, I didn't understand that 1.61.
Yes, ma'am. To find that.
Ma'am, I
1.6. Okay. See, they have measured with the ruler. They have measured with the ruler that the length is the 2 centimeter and the breadth is, you know, the length and breadth, which will be the length and breadth of the
Yes,
squares and
yes.
rectangles. Yes. So in the rectangle,
Yes.
this is which shape? This is the rectangle shape. All the classes are in rectangle shape. Maisha, stop eating in class. So the classes which are given in your map number 7 are in which shape? Which shape, children? Length,
Rectangle.
rectangle. And
Rectangle.
rectangle always have length and breadth.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you take your ruler, and you want to measure the length of any class, because all are same, all are of same measurement. So when you measure the length, according to the measurement, they have measured and they told us that this is 2 centimeter. And the breadth.
Yeah, ma'am, it came 2 centimeters.
Yeah, and the breadth. Devanshi, can you please measure the breadth with the ruler?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 1 centimeter.
Ma'am, yeah.
No,
It is more. Yeah.
It's 2 centimeter.
No, no.
1.6 centimeter.
1.6.
Measure one.
I have
You have measured, Aryan?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have also
ma'am.
measured. It's 1.6
Ma'am, I
centimeter.
have measured and done it first.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
1.6.
when you have
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it
I have
is
only-
1.6 centimeter.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for informing me. Mute your mics now. Yeah. So now you only have measured that the length is 2 centimeter and the breadth is 1.6 centimeter. So for 2 centimeter, it is easy that in meters, how much it will be? 2 centimeters is? According to the scale of the map,
5 centimeter. 5 meters.
5 meters.
5 meters.
It is already given in the scale of the map. When you see to the left side of your map number 7, the scale of the map is already given. That if your distance is 2 centimeter, it will be as similar as 2 meters. Please mute your mic, Nishika. Mute your mic, everyone. Still someone's mic is on. Nishika, mute your mic.
Rishika, mute yourself.
So the scale, where every map should have this scale and you have to measure according to the scale which is given there. So here it is saying that 2 centimeters, if it is there, so it will be assumed 2 centimeter is equal as 5 meters. That is easy, you have find out. But what about the 1.6? What about the 1.6 centimeter which you have measured? So for 2 centimeter, it is 5 meters. So for 1 centimeter, it will be 2.5 meter. Adha, just half. Yes. 2.5. Then what about the 0.6? So when you multiply the 0.6 with this, you will able to get the remaining 1.5. So it will be total 4 meters. I will show you the video again and please try to understand it.
So option A is correct. Means yes, 1 centimeter means it will be 2.5. Okay. So here 1.6 you will multiply with 2.5. So you will get 4 meter.
Children, please start multiplying 2.5 with 1.6 and then tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
But how will multiply? Understand that how we will get the answer 2.5? So we have to multiply 1 by 6. That we go. No, but
Yeah.
how will we get the answer of 2 by 5?
If 2 centimeter here is given as 5 meters. So what will be
So
the
what?
measurement of 1 centimeter?
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's coming 4. I have checked.
2.5 multiplied by 1.6. And tell me what is the answer?
Yes. Ma'am, it's coming 4. I have
4
checked.
meters. Yes. Now, start.
So in
Yes,
this way we
ma'am.
found the length and breadth. Length is equal to 5 meter and breadth
So which option is correct?
A. A
Ma'am,
part.
A.
A part.
Yes.
is equal to 4 meter. So option A is correct. Now come to the third question. Okay. So now we have another map. Map 8. All the classrooms in Asis
Don't leave the class.
school look like this. So, okay, here we have a picture of a classroom. Here is blackboard, windows, 2 windows, 1 almirah, 1 display board, 1 notice board, and benches are here. Teacher table is there, and the door is here. So now let's try to answer some questions. So first is which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? So here we have the blackboard, and
Tell me which is the exactly opposite to blackboard.
Display board. Display board.
Door and
the options are windows, notice board, and display board. So here is the blackboard,
Playboard.
and you can see it's just opposite. In opposite direction we have the display board. So we can write in the opposite direction of blackboard we have display board. Okay. Now next questions. Question number B. So now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would this be. So first, blackboard in 3A and class 7. So so first you have to understand here that the blackboard is between windows and doors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 dimensions we have. So blackboard is coming between the windows and doors. So this side it will be. So remember it. So the classes are given 3A and 7. So come to 3A and 7. So here we have 3A and 7. Yeah, here we have. So where the blackboard will be? Let me zoom it first. Okay. So as I have told you that the blackboard is coming between windows and doors. So here will be our blackboard. Okay. And in class 7, here are the windows and here is the main gate, means class gate. So the gate will be here. Means blackboard will be here. Clear? Now, next question. Almirah in class 6 and 10. So first check in map 8, where is Almirah? Almirah is downside of the 2 windows, and here we have a display board. Clear? And you can also check that the almirah is just in a slant opposite direction of the door. Clear? So let's come to this classes 6.
Children, you just read this map number 8, and come on Thursday. We discuss this detail, right? We will, Vivan, mute yourself, please. Map number 8, we will discuss in detail in our next class Thursday. And come prepare, we will do revision also on Thursday, and Friday you all have a CET. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.